Hi, let's go into like part 2 of this 5000, 5100, the MP tray roller and set pad. Again, this is the multiple page pulling problem. You're putting your paper on there and it wants to grab more than one sheet at a time, or it's just not grabbing at all. We did the paper tray already, and let's do the MP tray. You definitely want to remove your toner cartridge for this. And what I like to do is I like to remove on the left side and the right side very carefully, bend the plastic back and get it out of the nipples on the left and the right. Drop the little paper guide down and it'll come right out of its socket just like that. And then at this time we can open up the lid and we can remove the MP roller. And I'm going to try to close in and give you a visual on this. And with the toner cartridge out, you're going to lift up on the registration this little plate right here with the green handle. On the right side of the roller, there's a little clip, and it's a push clip. You push in on it and slide the roller to the right. See how I just did that? I just slid it to the right and then just turn the roller, and it'll come right off the shaft. And you can see there's the MP roller. And this one's pretty glazed at the front, which is common. And in order to get the pad off, what you have to do to replace the set pad. Now the set pad is the cause of the multiple sheet pulling problems, and I'm going to try to close in here because this is kind of a hard one to see. What you want to do is use a flat blade, and you want to stick it in here and get underneath that pad and just kind of turn your flat blade just like that. Now you can reach in where the roller was and push down a little bit because it's on a spring. And what you want to do is just kind of twist that little flat blade, get underneath it, and there's the pad. Came right out in my hand. And what I did is I just put it underneath there like that, and I pried it up. And in order to reinstall it, same scenario. You can reach your hand down underneath that roller, and you'll notice it's on a spring. And you can lay your pad back in there while you're looking through the top, and you can align that pad back up, your replacement pad, and then you're just simply going to want to push down on it. And it probably is a little easier working from the top on this. And once you got it lined up, just push firmly down. And I'll see if I can kind of show you how I did that. And you can see that what I'm doing is I'm pushing my finger right here to give me some more room. And in order to reinstall the roller, same concept. Go ahead and take the roller, put it on just like this, a little bit to the side, and then just turn it up. You want the half moon side, or the flat side, to be pointing down. Slide the right side back over and push back and forth when you're done. Make sure it's locked into its socket real good. And that's it. This was you can see that there's no need to have a technician come out and do this for you. You can buy these components yourself. Reinstall your paper guide on the right side and the left side, and keep it all the way down, and then it'll slide into its socket. And then you can lift up on it, and then carefully bend the plastic guides on the right side and the left side, and get those two nipples to go back into their socket. And that's it. This is a great repair that you can do just in a few minutes. We sell these components on Broken Printer, and this is really an easy repair, and you definitely can save some money by doing this yourself.